passages question answers from Once Upon a Time Building's most important questions. So first question, Once Upon a Time is a poem. Conversation between whom? Navya, stand up. So Once Upon a Time poem, conversation between father and his son. Next question, see, what does the speaker want to relearn? Stand up.
Behave in natural way.
Gatiga.
Behave in natural way.
How to behave in a natural way. So that is the speaker want to relearn. Next one, next question, important question. This stanza says about the speaker. Options, Amulya, stand up. Develops aversion on the visitors or wants his son to be courteous with the visitors.
Want to his son be cautious.
So correct answer is Once Upon a Time main theme wants his son to be courteous with the visitors. Visitors to maryadaga undali. Courteous means why did they Barbie, stand up. Why did they shut the doors on the speaker? Options, because they don't like him to come again, because they are very busy, because they want to ill-treat him.
They don't like it to come again.
Because they don't like him to come again. That's the main theme. Shut the door on the speaker. Next question. See, what does the stand up, Amma. So what does the expression ice block cold ice means? So correct options, cold and black ice are not expressive, ice are expressive.
Eyes are not expressive.
So correct answer is eyes are not expressive. So eyes are not expressive. Eyes are not expressive means that is called the ice block cold ice. Once upon a time, main important question. The people now search my pockets. So answer options. Travis, stand up. For money, for gold and jewelry, to assess my status.
To assess my status.
So to assess my status is the main important thing. The people now search my pockets. Okay? Okay. Next question. Or will the dreamer wake? Next poem. Or will the dreamer wake? So the tiger growls in pain because Harika, stand up. Options. It is going to give birth to a cub. It is hungry. It is wounded. Correct answer.
Going to give a cover.
It is going to give birth to a cub. So the tiger growls in pain because it is going to give birth to a cub. Next, very important question from Or will the dreamer wake? Very important question from Or will dreamer wake? These cubs could be the last ones. Why does the poet say so? Krishna, stand up. Options, because the tiger cannot give birth to any more cubs, because the tiger is the list of endangered species, because the tiger would go to another forest.
Because tiger is list of the endangered species.
So correct answer is because tiger is the list of endangered species. Next, Geetika, stand up. The white bear, Or will dreamer wake poem. The white bear snuffles at the gleaming snow. The glaciers grow the ground.
The gleaming snow.
So the white bear snuffles at the gleaming snow. Where does tiger growls in pain? Jeevika, stand up. In the east, tiger growls in pain. Good. Next. So Or will the dreamer wake poem stanza tells about this stanza. Yekhinta, stand up. This stanza says that this dreamer wake poem. This stanza says that the speaker wants to save the white bear immediately, asks us to save the environment and the life, makes us to enjoy the beauty of the white bear.
Ask us to save the environment and life.
Asks us to save the environment and the life. That is the main stanza in the Or will the dreamer wake poem. Next, why does the dreamer have to wake? In Or will the dreamer wake? Last, stand up. Why does the dreamer have to wake? Options, because it is the right moment to rehabilitate the environment to save life, because it is the right moment to endanger the environment for human being, because it is right moment to kill all the wild animals.
Because it's the right moment to rehabilitate the environment to save life.
Because it is the right moment to rehabilitate, to save the environment and life. This is the correct answer for dreamer have to wake. Very good. Next one. The path ahead leads. The path Listen carefully. The path ahead leads. Bindu, stand up. Right or wrong? Option A. B option up or down. C option good or bad. Correct answer. Up or down. Or will the dreamer wake is a poem. What truth should we know? What truth should we know? Sanjay, stand up. What truth should we know? Options: knowing about endangered animals is essential. Deforestation is very essential. Rehabilitation of environment is essential. What is the correct answer?
Rehabilitation of environment is essential.
Rehabilitation of environment is essential. So, correct answer. Next, the song thrush or will dreamer wake. Most important question. The song thrush waves her nest to. Repeated question. So, the song thrush waves her nest to. Halima, stand up. Options: to find a partner, sing a song, hold or clutch. To find a partner. To find a partner is the correct answer for the song thrush waves her next to. These chicks could be the last ones. These chicks could be the last ones. Stand up, Mama. These chicks could be the last ones. As they are next in position now, as they are not in position to give birth, as they are not in position to fly.
As they are in extinct position.
As they are in extinction position now. Next, according to above stanza, the grandchild is. Deepika, stand up. The future generation of the world, the people in India, the present people. The future generation of the world is the correct one according to stanza. This stanza says about or will dreamer wake means what? So, options. This stanza says about the poet. So, insists us to ask me, stand up. Insists us to protect the trees. Asks us to kill the tiger, which is cruel animal. Wants to save the tiger, which is an extinct animal.
Want to save the tiger which is extinct animal.
Want to save the tiger, which is an extinct animal. So, we should, extinct means అంతరించిపోవడం. అంతరించిపోయిన tiger ని మనం సేవ్ చేయాలి. So, when Bangari Mate was a child, this passage questions from Bangari Mate environment. So, Satya, stand up. How was the environment when Bangari Mate was a child?
Very pristine, very beautiful and green.
Very good, very pristine, very beautiful and very green. Next, water towers in Bangari Mate words. Very important question is what are the water towers? What are the, again repeating, water towers in Bangari Mate's words? So, Padmavati, stand up. Answer.
People are not able to live in water and food.
People are not able to get water. So people are not able to get food, water. Those are the main water towers in Bangari Mate words. According to Bangari Mate, the British government encouraged, stand up, indigenous forests, commercial plantations, forested mountains.
Forested mountains.
So forested mountains is the correct answer. According to Bangari Mate, the British government encouraged. Now, in environment lesson, the result of commercial plantation is, stand up, Amma.
Disappearance of local flora and fauna.
Disappearance of local flora and fauna is the result of commercial plantation. So, drying up of the rivers and changing of rainfall patterns because. So, answer must stand up. Loss of local underground reservoir, loss of local biological diversity, loss of mountains.
Loss of biological diversity.
So, loss of local biological diversity is the main thing for drying up rivers and changing of rainfall patterns. Okay, next one. In environment lesson, what does the need for the women? Sanjay, stand up. Sneha, what does the need for women? Women needed firewood building materials. Where do trees grow very fast? Where do trees grow very fast? Stand up, Amma. Answer.
In the tropics.
In the tropics, trees grow very fast. The women need civic education. Rapid, stand up. I will give options. To understand the way of government, to understand the way we govern ourselves, to understand the way we are governed.
B. To
To understand the way of govern ourselves.
Very good. To understand the way we govern ourselves is the women civic education need. Will we have trees for firewood? Firewood. When will we have trees for firewood? Stand up, Amma. Answer. When we need firewood, when we plant trees, when we respond to the trees.
When we plant trees.
When we plant trees, we have trees for firewood. Next. The profound transformation is in environment lesson. Must stand up, tell the answer. Transformation of women ability. Of character is Mr. Slater in The Departed. Stand up, Amma. Very vulgar, red-faced, plump. Very good. Emilia's husband name is Henry Slater.